Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm so excited to show you how to sew the Kalani top, a simple yet stylish cross-front halter top. It's made with just a few pattern pieces, perfect for beginners, and it looks amazing in soft knits or light woven fabrics. Here's how it looks on me. Clean cross front, open back, and a neat finished hem. It's comfortable, flattering, and super quick to make. Let's sew one together step by step. Here are the pattern pieces you'll need. 2 identical front pieces and 1 back piece. Place your pattern pieces on the fabric according to the grain line. Cut 1 back and 2 fronts. Make sure the stretch goes across the body. Once everything is cut, you're ready to sew. Place the 2 front pieces on the back piece with right sides facing, aligning the side seams and pin. Sew the side seams with a 1 cm seam allowance using a zigzag stitch or a serger. Place the front pieces in the cross front position and fold the strap to the back to create a loop for the neck. Pin the strap with right sides facing each other and sew with a 1 cm seam allowance using a zigzag stitch or serger. Fold the continuous seam on the neckline by 1 cm and then another 1 cm, or fold once by 2 cm depending on your fabric thickness. Pin it in place. Then sew the seam with a 1 cm seam allowance using a zigzag stitch. You can place wrapping tissue between fabric and presser foot while sewing so that it could prevent bunching or skipping stitches. Tear away wrapping tissues. Then fold the seam on the wrap part by 1 cm and 1 cm, or fold once by 2 cm. Pin it in place. Then sew along the edge using a zigzag stitch. Tear away wrapping tissues. Fold the hem by 1 cm and then another 1 cm, or fold once by 2 cm. If we just use the roll hem method, it will create a thick roll on the edge, as you can see. In this case, I simply cut off the corner at 1 cm above the hemline. Then roll it back. This makes the edge much flatter and easier to sew. Pin the hem in place. And sew along the edge using a zigzag stitch. Tear away wrapping tissues. Give everything a good press with heat. And your Kalani top is ready. That's it. Your beautiful Kalani top is done. If you make one, please tag me. I'd love to see your version. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more sewing tutorials. See you in the next video.